So we have a number of things that we do in terms of outreach. The major thing that we do is to promote microscopy and science in primary schools. And microscopy is a really accessible way of bringing science into the classroom and engaging kids in quite creative ways.
Over the last 18 months, I think we've reached about 16,000 school children using our microscopy kits.
It's been funded entirely by the RMS, because usually when primary school teachers see this, their big concern is, well, how much does it cost? You know, we can't afford it. I say, no, it's free.
Gives an information pack for the teachers so they know exactly how to incorporate it into lessons, and then basically just trying to get the kids motivated and involved and get them kind of an interest brewing.
We've got 8 microscopes here and classes of 30, so it works out quite well that we can have 3 to 4 children with a microscope, so it's really hands-on and they get a fantastic opportunity to make the most of it really, and they can have lots of turns and they can really go for it. Our topic this half term is I'm Alive, so it's all about living things. For us the focus has been looking at plants and looking at mini beasts. So the microscopes have been great for us when we've been doing mini beast hunting and really getting to have a close-up look at the things that they can see with their eyes, but they think they know what things look like. Turns out they don't.
It's been very good. The youngest children have used them, and I've used them with Year 6, and all the way through. They were fascinated, just the excitement of sticking their finger underneath and magnifying that.
The science job is very, very creative. You're always problem solving, you're always developing new questions and finding out interesting ways to answer them. And you can do that with microscopy in the classroom in a way that you can't do with some of the science that they have to learn about. We wanted to bring good quality microscopes into schools with good activities that would allow kids to just get a great experience and give teachers the confidence.
Looking at them through the microscopes in that much detail has made it more exciting for them. It has got them more engaged in it, and children who probably would have been slightly indifferent about going on a mini beast hunt have actually been quite excited by it and have really enjoyed going to look for things because they know they'll be looking at them under the microscope.
There was not a single pupil who wasn't, rapt by it. And what I found was that they were quite willing to record what they'd found. We used the hand lenses, and I incorporated it into a maths lesson, so it was cross-curricular, and we counted the squares and worked out the magnification. I always say that in my science lessons, if they can do something physical, it's much better than reading it from a book.
It's been a really good resource. I certainly would recommend it to other schools. It just gives the children that hands-on experience. It gives them the chance to have a go at something, and to them it feels like a very technical piece of equipment and something that real scientists use. And so it makes it more real for them, makes them more excited about what they're doing.